Hello everyone, Teacher Andy with yet another online lesson for the students who were absent from class and missed this lesson for the students who were in class but did no work. You know who you are. And for those students who simply want to improve their English. Let's go straight into the lesson, which is nature. Nature. In your notebooks or on a piece of paper, please write today's date. That is the date you are watching this video. And the heading nature. Nature in English and the translation. Nature. Nature means the natural world. Okay, have you finished? Yes. Have you finished? Yes, excellent. If not, please pause the video now. I get bored with saying, please pause the video now. Please pause the video now. Okay, the first one. There are 10 total. 10. What are these? What are these? They are mountains. Mountains. I think the Thai word is Khao Nun. Khao Nun? Khao Nun? I think so. I think so. Okay, so on your piece of paper or in your notebooks, please draw a picture of a mountain, or I have drawn 3 mountains. Then write the word mountain in English and in Thai too. Okay. In the class, many people had different colors for the mountain tops. The mountain tops are snow covered. This is snow. So really your mountain, the top of your mountain should be white. Sikao, white, because it is snow. Maybe you can draw a snowman on your mountain. Have you finished? Yes? No? Pause the video now if you have not. Number 2, what is this? It is a, what do we call this? It is Menam, which is a river. A river. River. So on your piece of paper or in your notebooks, please draw a river like I have. And write the word river in English and Menam in Thai language. So we now have mountain and river, mountain and river. Okay, now is the time to pause the video if you have not finished. And click play when you are ready to carry on. Number 3, what is this? What is this? Is it Nam Duam? Nam Duam, which is a waterfall. Waterfall. Nam Tuak, maybe. I don't know. But it's waterfall. Waterfall. On your piece of paper, please draw a waterfall. Like I have. Look, I've got a face on my waterfall and also my river. Waterfall, and write the word waterfall in English and also the Thai translation. I think I don't know. Nam Duam? Or was that flood? Waterfall. Maybe Nam Dok. Okay, next, number 4. Yeah, pause if you have not finished. Number 4 is, what is this? I know the type of this. It's pa, which is forest. Pa, forest. And there is a bear cutting down a tree. So again, please, on your piece of paper, draw a forest and write the word forest in English and pa in in Thai language. Really, you probably think my Thai is the worst you ever heard. My wife says that all the time. She says that my Thai is the worst she has ever heard in her life. Forest. So now we've got mountain, river, waterfall, and forest. Mountain, river, waterfall, and forest. Okay, if you have not finished, and you probably have not, please pause the video now. Number 5, Thale Sap. Thale Sap is a lake, I live close to a lake. I live very close to a lake. The back of my house, there is a lake. Thale Sap, Thale Sap. So in your notebooks or on a piece of paper, please draw a lake. A lake is very, very big. Okay, a lake is big. If it's small, it is a pond. A pond. Lake you can have boats on. It is very, very big, but a pond is small. So draw a nice big lake and write the word lake in English and also in Thai language. Lake, lake. Pause the video now if you have not finished. Okay, and what do you think this is? It's I know it's waves, but the vocabulary here is ocean, ocean, ocean. And there is a big ship on the ocean, a big ship or boat on the ocean. And look, I have drawn a boat on the ocean. I have drawn a boat on the ocean. Sorry about that. Some students just brought me in their notebooks. They were the lazy students from M3, the lazy students. Okay, so in my picture, we've got a boat and we've got a whale. We have a whale. So on your piece of paper or in your notebook, please draw the ocean. Write the word ocean in English and also in Thai language. Okay, have you finished? Yes, excellent. If not, please press pause. Okay, and what is this? What is this? Where is Panda now? Where is Panda? Panda is on an island. Island. We say island, not island. The S is silent. Okay, we do not pronounce the S. Island. Island. He is on a desert island. Island. So on your piece of paper, please draw an island. My tree is a coconut tree. Maprao, coconut tree. And I got a smiley face on my island. So it's quite easy to draw. Island. Okay, Mr. Panda is on the island. Okay, have you finished? Yes? No? Pause now. Okay, now where do you think this is? Some cactus, skull. It looks very, very hot. It is the desert. Ni hao. Chinese teacher has just arrived. Okay, so this is the desert. I think is it Tale Sap? Is that correct? I think so. So on your piece of paper, please draw the desert. Okay, I got the orange rocks in the background. Very, very hot sun. Two cactuses, two cacti, and a skull. Desert, desert. So now what do we have? We have the mountain, the river, the waterfall, the forest, the lake, the ocean, the island, and now a desert. I think we have one more. No, two more. We have two more. Have you finished, Jess? Very, very good. If not, please pause the video now. Tony, now. Okay, the next one. What do you think this is? A whale? Yeah, there's a whale there, but we're not looking at the whale. We are looking at an iceberg. Iceberg. So in your notebooks or on a piece of paper, please draw an iceberg. An iceberg. And if you look at mine, there is a big, big iceberg, and there is the Titanic. The Titanic is about to hit the iceberg and sink. Leonardo DiCaprio is at the front of the boat waiting for it to hit the iceberg. Okay, so you can draw Titanic as well if you like, or a whale, or whatever, but please draw an iceberg. Okay, students, have you finished? Yes? Very good. If not, of course, please press pause now. So moving on to the last one. Oh my gosh, what is this? What is this? Yeah, I'm sure you know. It is a volcano. A volcano. An erupting volcano. Look, the whole volcano is shaking. So on your piece of paper, please draw a volcano. A volcano. And write the word volcano in English and also in Thai language. So while you're doing that, what have we had? We've had mountain, river, waterfall, forest, lake, ocean, island, iceberg, desert. I forgot desert, desert, iceberg, and now volcano. Volcano. Okay, students, that is the end of today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, learning about nature. Try and remember the vocabulary, the words. So until the next lesson, thank you very much. Take care and goodbye. Bye bye.